Hey guys, I am Carly. Here I will see how to use text effects on Mac with preview and example on my Mac installed macOS Sequoia. Let's get started. First, launch the Messages app on your iPhone. Now, open a message conversation or new message from top. Now, type the message first in the message box. Then, select a word or phrase to apply your favorite text effect. Now right-click in the message box and select Text Effects. Otherwise, type the message first, then right-click on the message box. Go with the Text Effects option. Choose from 8 different effects: big, small, shake, not, Expolre, ripple, bloom, and jitter. We can apply different text effect on separately for word or phrase. You can see on my screen. You can see the preview for each effect before sending it. Here we can set the schedule message as explained earlier in a separate video, the link given in the video description, and the pinned comment. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.